Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the earth zoom out effect. So you do need to kind of you'll need Hexfield first. You do need the pro feature for it. So if you go here, there's going to be an earth zoom out effect. If you can't find it, just select view all visual effects here, select it, and then generate the image here. You're going to add in your image, for instance like this, and you're going to select generate. Again, I don't have any credits, so you're just going to select that. But yeah, once you're done, you're just going to bring it to Capcut and edit it however you'd like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.